Okay, start.
Yeah,
Anyone can start.
and anyone can start.
And
Exactly.
I am going to
Okay.
talk about health, and health is wealth, because money cannot
Mm-hmm.
buy health, happiness, family, relationships, sex, whatever. Okay, so health is connected to all the elements like happiness and wealth, how make you money, what money. So all the things are connected to health. So we need to uh, and develop good habits, and that good habits lead you to good health. Okay, so we need to uh, we need to sleep at a time, and we need to stop bad habits that makes your health bad on daily basis. So we avoid some foods that bad your health. We avoid some drinks. We need to sleep at right time and wake up at right time, and make discipline in your life and good habits that leads to good health, and do exercise on regular basis. That's improve your blood circulation in your body. So that's my thing.
Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. Great. Yeah, great point made by Vishal. Thank you so much. So now who will start next? Okay, so can I speak?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Yeah, yeah. And yeah, Vishal, he explained it very distinctly, and I am absolutely agree with him. So health is a wealth. So yeah, I mean, there are in surrounding us. If we go to market to buy something, buy vegetables or our daily essential commodities. So there are full of sophisticated authentic and essential commodity. So nowadays it's very difficult to find the authentic our essential commodities. So if we consume like a sophisticated sophisticated a daily commodities a regular basis, then it will be more detrimental and exaggerated for our health in future. So that's why, and workout, daily workout is very necessary for we need to, and also we avoid drinking water, and instead of drinking water we drink like Coca-Cola and like other Pepsi. So this kind of like which are full of sophisticated, so we should avoid those kind of product. We should not consume. So and other thing is that yes, sleep, if you some good sleep is very necessary. And so when suppose you are sleeping very nicely, I mean you have good sleep, then your mind will work fast, and I mean everything will be going like better. I mean, so and workout, I'm going to talk about workout. So if we do workout regular basis, then it will improve our I mean it will reduce our anxiety and depression. And also workout also help us to like it will improve our resistance to prevent the all kinds of disease. So and yeah, so I think, but nowadays we youth generation are not much not much addicted on workout, but there are a lot of people also, I mean they are also the they have interest on workout, so they are working out regular basis. So like I'm not working out nowadays, but now I feel because uh, because of it, now I realize this. Yes, workout is very necessary, and I have to do it. So and I have to do it because and so sometimes, I mean sometimes I used to work out. So that time I felt that it's really helpful for our health. And if we suppose you are working hard in every day, that time we feel some depression, anxiety. So like everything is like not good. So if we work out, then I think we will come out from this type of difficulties and depression. So yeah, there are a lot of things to explain. There are a lot of things to explain, and I think we should give priorities our health at first. After then everything. if we don't, if we are feeling unwell, if we are feel unwell, if our body is like uh, infected by the like disease virus, then money is nothing. That time money is nothing. So yeah, health is wealth. So once again, I just said, well, health is wealth. So we should take care of ourselves. So later than, I mean, whatever we want to do. So okay.
Sure. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. If I get chance in the last of the conversation, then I will try to put and put forward some point also.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Abhinav, you want to say?
Yes, yes, yes. Now we will start. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes.
you
Yes.
are audible.
Okay. Once Gandhi said that this is the health, that is a good wealth, and not a piece of silver or gold. So I think in order to achieving good health, there are six best doctors. That is sunshine, air, fresh water, and diet and rest. So I will describe it one by one. So first of all, I will talk about sunshine. You know, guys, that sun is the ultimate source of energy, and sun provides the vitamin D. It also lowers the cholesterol level, and it provides the vitamin D, which helps in substances preventing the bone pain and muscular weakness and other disorders. And now I will talk about water. So by drinking daily 2 or 3 liters of water, it maintains the body fluid. It maintains the pH of our blood. So it also increases the efficiency of our mindset, our mind, human brain. And if I will talk about the air, so air is the if we uh, an exposure towards fresh air cleanses our lungs. When we breathe out or exhale, so we exhale some airborne of toxins from our lungs or from our body. And now another thing is diet. So we should eat for our body what we want, and not for the body which we have. So enrich our diet with vitamins, protein, leafy vegetables, and non-alcoholic foods. We should take proper of diet, which will give a proper health to us. And another thing is rest. If we start, if we get tired, to learn to take rest, not to quit. So this is all health, about health and fitness from my side.
Sure. So,
So
Nabil.
if I talk about,
Mm-hmm.
actually everyone said about health and workout. So I also want to share something about workout. Actually, we live in a very hectic lifestyle. Our lifestyle is very hectic, so we have to be energetic at every time. So how is it possible to stay fit or motivated, or you can say energetic every time? So we must do workout. It's really phenomenal if you do workout properly regular basis. So it is really helpful, and it is not mandatory you should go to gym for workout. You can go workout at your home easily. You can do workout. It's completely up to you. But the thing is, we have to do workout, because through it, when we do workout, we feel so energetic. Or you can say it's a stress remover. You can say when we do workout, so we feel that so energetic, and sometimes we have a lot of tension or some time of stress. So if you do workout, it can easily remove your stress. And the second thing is, if I talk about diet, so if you do workout, even though you lift up heavy weights, you do lots of squats and push-ups or bench press, it is not gonna helpful if you can't eat a healthy diet. We have to focus on diet because, and especially if I talk about diet, especially Indian diet, so we have to have some difficulty regarding to protein because our diet is around completely carbohydrate. So we have to think about protein. If we can easily intake protein and we know the calorie burning or calorie intake system, so it is really helpful. So there is no any rocket science we can easily do. We have to know about BMR and then we have to take out our calorie and then we have to think about how can we burn it. If we maintain calorie system, so it is gonna be really helpful. And health is wealth. Everyone said that health is wealth because if we are not healthy, so how can we do work? How can we do hard work? So without healthy, we can't do
Sure.
anything. So it is really necessary to be a healthy. But if I talk about how can we be healthy, so we should do workout and we can do some meditation or yoga type of things. But yeah, if you go to gym, it is really helpful for you. It's completely up to you. It's completely up to your nature. If you suit gym, so you can go, you can do workout only 30 to 40 minutes. But I know mostly people they go to gym. And if I talk about fitness and language learning, I think it is completely same because it's not be happen overnight. If you wanna be a good aesthetic personality, so you have to join gym and you have to work out for a long time, at least 6 to 8 months persistently. And you should also focus on diet. You can't eat junk food, and then you can see definitely significant results like a language. If you learn language, so you can't learn any new language overnight. You have to work for a long time, and then you can see definitely changes. Okay, that's all from my side.
Yeah, sure. And you have put a very great point. Okay, now so let me start with myself. So, okay, firstly, I wanna share what I actually do to fit myself, and whenever it is concerned about my personal health, and if it is helpful for someone, so they can also apply it. So when it comes about food, so yeah, I genuinely take like normal food. Everyone knows what is a normal food as an Indian diet. So like in the morning breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this is I take, and there are also another kind of stages for food and diet. So if some people are comfortable with that, that is also okay. But just I'm talking about myself just for now. Okay, so when it comes about food, so you say, yeah, so right, like Nabil told us, we must try to ignore or avoid junk food. Yeah, it is okay. It is okay. Like we are adult, we are young, so it is okay. It is fine for us to take at least one time in a week, in a month, in a 15 days. It is totally fine because yeah, we have also a mind. We have also kind of our tongue, which needs a little bit more taste. But yeah, just only for kind of okay now. It must be in your control, not like of that key every single day we are taking pizza, we are taking samosa, because samosa is one of the favorite breakfast for every Indian. So we must try to avoid it. Now when it comes about and why we avoid it, because it is not only cause your health, it is also cause you kind of you can't work properly. You never be more efficient than you can be if you are taking very kind of food which is suitable for your body. You can increase your working hours, which is I think important for every single people. And you you will feel more less lazy, drowsy. And you can what you can do, you can also, this is how you can reduce your sleep quota, which is I think people sleep for those who sleep 8 to 9 hours. So if you take, definitely if you take a actual diet according to your health, so it is beneficial when it comes about sleeping. Okay, now quick share the thing that I do for workout. For many people, for different people, different workout works. Okay, so what I have done, I have chosen from different places, like okay, now this thing is fruitful for me. So what I do every single day exercise, I do yoga, and a little bit part of meditation. So what I actually do, because it also don't take much time, because when we say we have to do yoga, we have to do exercise, it means we have to spend more than half an hour. But sometime we can also do quick exercise that will take only 10 to 15 minutes, and it is better than to do nothing every single day. Okay, and yeah, after 1 month, after 2 months, definitely not in one day, it will give you something and you can realize in yourself. So what I do, I I think everyone knows about it. I do Surya Namaskar every single day. It it has all that is important for your body. That's why I try to do Surya Namaskar. After it, I don't do anything extra too much. Maybe 10 or 20 squats, because it also don't take too much time. Just maybe 3 to 4 minutes is for Surya Namaskar, 1 minute for squats. After it, just for 5 minutes, I devote my I devote my time for breathing exercise. Like Anulom Vilom, Kapal Bhati, and a little bit like inhaling and exhaling. So this is, I think, kind of a whole package for every person who want to keep their body fit as well as their mind. And when it comes about meditation, just for 5 to 10 minutes, just focusing on my breathing, that's it. So this is my process that I actually, yeah, sometime like in a week, if I fail to do so, but I try to do every single day. So like at least in 5 times in a week. This is how I actually keep myself healthy. Now if I'll talk about other people, yeah, if they want to keep their body fit, and okay, if they don't want to keep their body fit, but the one thing I know, everyone wants to work more and more, like 15 hours, 16 hours, 18. It depends on their work, because everyone needs more time. And we can't devote our whole time in sleeping, because if we are sleeping 8 hours every single day, it means you can realize we are wasting our 1/3 life. It means if you have any bike, just imagine if you have any bike, and if it is not working 33% time, 33 time, if it is not working, you are not gonna purchase it, and that is of not a kind of good bike or good vehicle. Same like it is your body. So try to reduce sleep, and it is totally possible, and it is individually. I'm not telling every single people. So this is how we can reduce our time. But yeah, for that we must have a good food, good kind of diet, and we have to all work accordingly ourselves. Don't go for anything. Yeah, learn from everyone, but try to apply different things, because one single formula never gonna work for every single people, because you are in a different circumstances. You have like someone are from south, someone are from east, someone are from middle. So you have a kind of different atmosphere. Accordingly you need different diet. But yeah, you definitely know which things work for you better. So just you have to try and experience, try and learn. So this is how you can uh come 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 up that those things, yeah, it is work for me, this exercise work for me, and this food is work for me. So I think this is the best solution for those who want to eat well. They want to keep their body healthy. So this is enough from my side for now.
So I think you all have covered the health and fitness topic. So I want to add some more new points because I will talk those things which are practical, which I am doing and which are I am doing about before 3 to 4 years. So first thing that health is wealth. We all know that. So this is the thing you can't buy from your money. Your body part is just like your engine. You have to give some oil. You have to put some lubricatives so that it can properly work. So exercises and yoga and meditation, all these things are that is the just this is the part of lubricant or lubricants which helps to make body run properly. So if we talk about in current situation like COVID-19 pandemic, so people are not going to gym. So gym and workout both are different things. If you want to shape your body, that is the part of your gym, and you want to your uh, body healthy, that is the part of workout. So both things are interrelated. I will not just go to the deep thing. First I want to say that someone is starting their exercises and he want to shape and make healthy body. So first he have to choose exercises which he can do better as per his body. Someone is lifting 50 kg or one ton, weight, so you can't do in a one day. This is the part of exercise. You have to make it in a habit. It will take about 2 to 3 weeks to reach at this point, at that point. So someone is want to lose their weight, so this is not part of one day, because you have gained your weight about 2 to 3 months or 4 months minimum. So it will minimum take this much about out. It's a double time to make to come out from your come from to your original position. So, and another thing is that people are thinking that if I will not do exercise and I will be healthy. So if you are thinking that you are going wrong due to the current situation or in the current era, life is going very fast. You don't have someone who working at 10 to 6 p.m. in any company, and someone is coming to his house or home, so he is feeling anxiety. So you have to come out from that anxiety. You have to do your exercises. So when you are doing exercises, cardio, that is, Dhruv is saying that some exercises are which gives which loses more energy in the very less time. So that is the part of cardio. If you are doing cardio, so you can lose as much energy which are doing about you are spending your time in the gym. So
Sure, exactly.
you are coming out, you are come from your office, and you have to spend your about 1 to 1 hour, minimum 1 hour, because it will be easy. You have to start from 15 minutes to 16, and at least you have to do 1 hour exercise. And if you are coming in, you are getting up early in the morning, you do some about 15 minute your meditation. So I was talking about that ki how to be a fit. So that is the, if you make your exercise just like a habit, whatever, just like you are eating food daily, you are drinking water daily, so you can't live without that part. So if you are not going, it will be very painful in the beginning. Your legs will be pain, and your hands will be have some stretches and all those things. So in the beginning it will be happen, but
Yeah,
whenever
yeah.
you are continuing your exercise up to 1 month or about 1 week, it will be comfortable for you. If you are not going to that exercise, then it will be again, your leg will be pain, go to in the pain. So all these things are, I think you all have covered all
Yeah.
those things. So that is from my side.